So what do we have here, Mike?
Well, we have an antenna structure that's made out of a steel pole that's hooked up to this multimeter, which is registering the millivolts in volts per meter. The meter itself is running out to the serial port of the laptop that's in the adjacent room, and we're monitoring the field from in there. The cameras are set up to monitor the rest of the room and see if this particular chair over here moves in the middle of the night, which a lot of people have said in the middle of the night it ends up turning and facing another wall. But this particular device can be tuned by adjusting the position of it and adjusting the height of it. What we needed to do is we needed to disconnect all of the lamps and electronic appliances in the room to make sure that any of the current that wasn't being carried in any of the stray voltage that would set off the meter. So we had to disconnect everything in here and shut off all the power. It was the only way to get an accurate reading. The ground wire that comes off of this device needed to be run across a portion of the floor that doesn't have any electrical wires below it in order to keep the readings true. So we're going to monitor them in the other room and see what we happen to come up with, and see if we get any interference. What it'll prove is that there's a stray energy in the room. Doesn't necessarily say it's a ghost, but it will tell us if there is any kind of free roaming energy. And if we do get anything like that, we're going to take it a step further and build multiple antennas in the room to see if we can track its movement. And that's what we're going to see what happens.